Gold and silver both achieved the targets at 1760 and 2000 levels. Remember what did I say in yesterday in my analysis? Stay long till the time it trades above 1735, and yes, you can expect 1755-60 levels achieved. I hope you all profited. Now what is going to happen today? Which position we should take in order to make profit today? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and do watch till the end. The next analysis on gold will be up before the Asia or before the US cash session. Do watch that also. And if you are interested into crude oil, natural gas or Dow Jones, Nasdaq or Germany FTSE 100 or Nifty Bank Nifty, watch those analysis as well. So please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Let's start the day with gold first. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. And now this is the hourly charts for gold consolidating here. Also look at the consolidation. See higher lows it is trying to create. Now this, but the highs are very much well allocated at around 1758 levels. In fact, the resistance at 1760 is very strong. So be watchful of that. And on the downside, now I'll look forward to 1750 as support there. So yes, if you see it trading below 1750, you know the levels. Now you all must be knowing the levels which I am going to share. Below 1750 it is 1745-44, which is the first support, and then 1740, 1735, and below that a good fall can be expected. Now this is right now trading or consolidating sideways. Be watchful. See, after a rally it is consolidation, and now if it breaks out beyond 1760, stay long further, and then you can expect almost 1771 and 1778 levels. Also look at this. See, this is the channel in which it is trading. The highs of this channel appear to be at around 1765, but this is just the hourly charts. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over and it is wide and divergent. It is for a sell entry. And if you look at the RSI, this is trading overbought and hence it is looking downwards. So a little drop can be expected. Now look at the 2-hour charts. Similarly on the 2-hour charts, a high there, the resistance there, lower lows are getting generated. If you see it dropping below 1752 rather, and in fact rather I'll say 1750, you can go short here at 1749, then expect it to 1745 the next support, and below that 1740 the next support. So you can take your trades accordingly. Directional movement is moderately bullish. Stochastic was overbought, now looking vertically downwards here. MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a sell. RSI is also overbought, hence probably today it may see a little drop. That is what is seen, but be watchful here. Now look at the 3-hour charts. Lower lows, lower highs trying to drop a bit. Also this is a trend reversal, hence probably we can expect a next red candle which might try to bring it till towards 1745. So even if it is bullish today and it may retrace a bit on the 3-hour chart, it appears, so the next target should be at around 1749 and 1745 levels. In fact 1740 can be achieved, but be cautious, it can again reverse on the upside as it is on the 3-hour charts right now. So probably couple of red candles and then a bounce back can. Extremely bullish show here on directional movement. It is wide divergent. Stochastic is overbought, trying to converge crossover. The MACD is wide divergent and bullish. It is trying to converge a bit. RSI is overbought. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, similarly, see on the 4-hour charts lower highs, and it is again trying to come back to 1753 levels, and from there probably the next candle will decide which direction it might try to take. If it breaks below 1752.50 zone, you can expect 1749, and then below that 1745 levels to get expected. The next support zone is at 1740. By now you all know these numbers, so by now you all are experts. I'll not comment on that. Now 1740 is the next support, strong support, and then 1735. Be watchful of this zone between 1740 and 1735. If it drops below 1735, then only I will consider this as bearish now. And any rise above 1760, go long. Directional movement is still bullish. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is wide divergent and still bullish, and RSI is overbought here on the 4-hour charts too. Similarly on the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts. Do not miss that after this retracement, first green candle, second green candle. So the expectation is probably it can give a third green candle. Yes, it can. The chances are very much there. But till the time it trades below 1760 I'll not recommend. Also remember, the Bollinger Bands high is there, it may resist a bit for it to trade above 1760, and hence be watchful, do not go long until and unless it is below 1760. Yes, and before that it can retrace back to 1749 and 1745-40 levels. So on the daily chart, 1740 should be a very strong support for it to sustain today. Be watchful there. Directional movement is bearish here. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is wide divergent and bullish here. And if you look at the RSI, this is trading flat. So considering this, yes, you can go short at around 1752 and then expect 1749, 45, 40. These are the three targets. And see, I will not be considering this as a bearish move unless it trades below 1735. Remember, I will just consider this as a minor retracement and it can bounce back throughout this day, and hence you have to always trade with the stop loss. Now if you enter at 1752, where is your stop loss? You should keep it at around 1756 levels. If it breaks and in between 1756 and 1760, do not trade for these $4. Above 1760, definitely one can stay long and it is going to fly high on the upside. 1765, 1771 and 1778 are the targets. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Look at silver here, 1990 levels, providing it is support and it is trying to create higher lows. Probably breaking 1990, you can go short, and then below 1990 you should look forward to 1980, 1970, and below 1970 the next support is directly at 1950 levels. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is near to top. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover, and this is a bearish crossover. RSI trading overbought, and hence a little drop is expected. Look at the 2-hour chart. Similarly, on the 2-hour chart, support here at 1990. You can go short at 1990 and expect it to drop for 1980, 1970. In fact, 1950 levels can be expected. Only long entry I see is above 2010 levels. Beyond 2010, you can expect 2020, 2025, and then 2040 levels. Directional movement extremely bullish. Stochastic extremely overbought. The MACD is on the still on the greener side but trying to converge. RSI is overbought. So almost all the indicators overbought on almost all the time frames. Similarly on the 3-hour charts too, it is formed a top there. Yes, below 1990 go short, then 1980, 1970, and then 1950 and 40 levels should come into picture. A strong drop can be expected below these levels. Directional movement bullish here. Stochastic overbought. MACD wide divergent and bullish. RSI is overbought. Similarly, if you look at the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts. Here is the highs there. Probably be watchful of 1990 levels. Below that, yes, you can stay short, and then one can expect it to drop till towards 1970, 1950 and 1940 levels. 1940 is the next support zone. Directional movement extremely bullish. Stochastic extremely overbought. MACD wide divergent and bullish. RSI is overbought, and hence we expect that probably few red candles can be expected. Now look at the daily charts, trading outside the Bollinger Bands here, hence it can get a pullback. Yes, go short at 1990, expect it to come back for 1970, 1940 levels. Now look at this also on the daily charts. 3 green candles are done here. Extreme bullish move. Lower highs are almost done, and yes, it may try to retrace. Now do not go long until it is below 2010 levels. In fact, above 2010 till 2020 you have to be safe, and beyond that definitely it will fly for 2040 and 2050 levels. On the downside, I will seek a retracement there on the downside. Probable support at 1950, 1940 can be expected. Go short at 1990 levels and expect it to drop a little. Take your positions accordingly. If it drops below 1990, first target 1980, 1970 and 1950 levels should come into picture. In fact, 1940 is a very strong support. On the upside, if it breaks beyond 2010, you can stay long for 2020. The next stronger resistance beyond that, it will hit 2040 levels. So take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. The long should be taken with caution, and hence take your trades accordingly. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and do not forget to press the bell icon. You can join my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on 8th of August. Don't miss this opportunity to be part of this. Definitely the strategy taught will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my VIP Signals group. Reach out to me for more details on it. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. And yes, always trade with a stop loss. Always trade with a trailing stop loss. Thank you very much.